In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to save in dollars on Piggyvest app. So all you just need to do, just log into your Piggyvest account. Then down below, you're going to see home, savings, invest, and account. So just click on savings, then scroll all the way down so you can see this flexible savings down right here. You can see flex dollars, so just click on flex dollar. You can see right here save in dollars and interest, so just click on that. Then the page is gonna load for you, so you can see this page right here. So on this page they explain how to buy flex dollars, the interest converts to naira, and you can also convert to dollar and also pay to bank. You can see flex dollar balance. Interest will be accrued daily and paid next month, and you can see the interest is 7% per annum, which is 7% per year, based on how much you try to save on this page. So for you to be able to save, you can see your dollar transaction will also appear here. So just click on that plus sign. So once you click on that, the page is gonna load. You can see buy dollars. You can enter the amount of dollar you want to buy. You can see $1 costs 1,530 naira, for example, as it was stated when I'm making this video. So let's say you want to buy $100, for example. So you can see $100 will cost me 153,000 naira to buy $100 on Piggyvest. So once you get that, you just click on credit flex dollars. You can see it's not feasible right here because I don't have up to that amount. So let's say I want to buy $1, for example. Okay, let's say I want to buy $20. So you can see, then select the source fund. So select the source fund. So you can see I select the source fund, but I don't have up to that amount, which is 30,600 naira. You can see I hereby confirm this dollar purchase of $20. I also authorize Piggyvest to deduct 30,600 naira from my payment method, which is the flex naira. So once you toggle this on, that means you agree and this option will be visible. You can see credit flex dollar. So once you click on that, they will ask you for your transaction being PIN, and if you are using fingerprint, you can also click on that to accept the payment, and then you will be able to buy the dollar. So once you purchase the dollar, then you will have it on your flex dollar balance right here. So once you do that, you can see your transaction right here. Then the next thing you're gonna do is just click on buy okay, you can just click on the interest. So once you click on interest, you'll be able to see how the interest is calculated. But then immediately you buy that dollars, immediately you buy that $20 or any amount you want to save, they will process the payment, and then the money will be saved automatically to your flex dollar account.